Many people have asked me, if you have the same webcam, how do we change the name to make it compatible with the computer? So let's check that. So first we go to the device manager, search out the device manager, search which webcam you want. Just go under cameras, you will be able to check that. Right click on that. I've already changed here, but I'm just going to show you how it's supposed to be done. And open the registry editor also, side by side. So it's getting opened. And search for system, and under that there'll be an option called as enum. That's hot local key system, enum. Over there you're supposed to search for the key of the device. So how you're going to search the key? Here's how you're going to do that. Go to properties, go to events, search for device key. Even under details sometimes you find that. You can check that. So the device key is there, so copy that and go and paste it over there. Like just put Ctrl F and put and search for the device. Just click on the enum option so that it will be easier to search. System enum folder. And now you'll be able to find it easily under enum by just going ahead and selecting the enum and searching for it. Yeah, under this. So find, and there'll be something called as friendly name. Double click on that. Here is the place where you can go ahead and change the device name. I've already changed it, so I won't be changing it again because I do have the same webcams which I'm using. So I won't be changing that because sometimes you get a conflict in OBS or anything else while you're using it, or even in StreamYard or any other device software. And here you'll be able to refresh it and check that. It's as simple as that. Thank you.